At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an Ayurvedic cosmetic business can be an exciting venture, blending ancient wisdom with modern skincare trends. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and education. Gain a comprehensive understanding of Ayurveda, including its principles, herbs, and formulations. Attend workshops, seminars, or courses on Ayurvedic skincare to deepen your knowledge. 2. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, products, pricing strategy, distribution channels, and financial projections. This plan will serve as your roadmap for success and can be essential for securing funding if needed. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and ensure compliance with all local, state, and federal regulations. This may include obtaining permits, licenses, and certifications required for manufacturing and selling cosmetics. 4. Product development. Work with Ayurvedic experts or formulate your own skincare products using natural ingredients such as herbs, essential oils, and botanical extracts. Ensure that your formulations are safe, effective, and compliant with regulatory standards. 5. Branding and packaging. Create a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience and reflects the principles of Ayurveda. Develop eye-catching packaging that communicates the purity and efficacy of your products. 6. Marketing and sales strategy. Identify your target market and develop a marketing strategy to reach them effectively. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to raise awareness and drive sales. 7. Distribution channels. Determine the most suitable distribution channels for your products, whether it's selling directly to consumers through an e-commerce platform, partnering with retailers, or establishing your own brick-and-mortar stores. 8. Quality control and testing. Implement rigorous quality control measures to ensure the safety and efficacy of your products. Conduct thorough testing, including stability testing and microbiological analysis, to meet regulatory requirements and maintain product integrity. 9. Customer service and feedback. Provide excellent customer service and actively seek feedback from your customers to continuously improve your products and services. Building strong relationships with your customers can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth. 10. Stay informed and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends, consumer preferences, and regulatory changes to remain competitive and compliant. Adapt your business strategies accordingly to seize new opportunities and overcome challenges. Starting an Ayurvedic cosmetic business requires dedication, passion, and a commitment to quality and authenticity. By following these steps and staying true to the principles of Ayurveda, you can create a successful venture that brings the benefits of natural skincare to consumers around the world. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.